Hello childrens. After exercise 4.4 our next point is fractions of a collection. So here given Shrini has 8 chocolate donuts. He gave 1 upon 4 donut to his friend Nilesh. How many donuts does he give to Nilesh? So Shrini has 8 chocolate donuts. You can see here 8 chocolate donuts is given, and out of them 1 upon 4th or 1/4 part of the donut he gives to his friend Nilesh. So how much part he has given to his friend, that we have to find. So first we will divide the given donuts in 4 equal parts. So total how many donuts are there? 8. So we will divide it in 4. So you can see here 4 equal parts of the donuts, that is 2 donuts in each part, that is 1 2 3 4, 4 equal parts you can see here. And out of them 1/4 part is given. So out of 4 parts, 1 part is given to his friend Nilesh. So how many donuts he has given to the Nilesh? That is 2. Or else we can do 1/4 of 8 donuts is 2 donuts, or we can divide 8 by 4. So 1 upon 4 of 8 means what? 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 4 2s are 8. So answer is 2. Similarly 1 upon 2 of 16 means what? 16 divided by 2, that is 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 2 8s are 16, so 8. And 1 upon 7 of 21 means what? 21 divided by 7. So in at which place 21 comes in 7 table? So 7 3s are 21. So answer is 3. I hope you remember the how we do the division. So let us move to our exercise 4.5. Fill in the blanks and the color the given fraction of each collection. So first is 1 upon 3 of 9. So in that balls are given. Total how many balls? 9 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total 9 balls are there, and out of them we have to shade or color 1 upon 3 parts. So we will divide the balls in 3 parts. So each group have, how can we do it? We will divide 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3. So at which place 9 comes in 3's table? 3 3s are 9. So answer is 3. So we will divide the given balls in 3 parts. So first 3 1 2 3, that is the first part. Next 1 2 3 is the second part, and rest of the remain. So out of 3, 1 part is shade means how this first part you will shade, means this 3 balls you will shade like this. You have to shade it properly. So 3 parts out of 1 that we have shaded here. Next 1 upon 4 of 20. So how can we divide the given bird in 1/4 part? So we will divide 20 by 4. So 20 divided by 4. So count the 4 tables up to 20. So at which place 20 we find out in 4's table? 4 5s are 20. So how many birds you will partition for in one part? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 in one, then 1 2 3 4 5 in second, then again 1 2 3 4 5 in third, and 1 2 3 4 5 in fourth. So 4 equal parts you can see, and out of them one you have to shade. So you will color this bird with any color you can take. You have to shade one part of that 4 parts. Next, 1/5 of 15. So how we will do? We will divide 15 divided by 5. So at which place we find out the 15 in 5's table? 5 3s are 15. So answer is 5. So we will divide these frogs in 3 group. 1 2 3. We will take the 3 frogs in one group. So 3 1 2 3 in second group, 1 2 3 in third, 1 2 3 in fourth, and 1 2 3 in fifth. This is 5 partitions, as we have 5 total number of parts. So 1 2 3 4 5, and out of 5 we have to shade one group. One group we have to shade. So you can shade one group, shade it properly. You can take any colors to shade it. This is way. Last is 1/7 of 14. So you have to make the 7 groups of these flowers. And how will you do? You will divide 14 divided by 7, and you will get the answers. And after that you will divide the flowers in different groups, and then out of them you have to color one part. So I hope you can do this. Turn the page. Next, two sums are also there, so I hope you can do that as well. Question number 2, match the following. 1/2 of 18. So what will be the answer of 1/2 of 18? Means 18 divided by 2. So at which place you will find 18 in 2's table? 2 9s are 18. So you have to find the answer 9. So here is the place. So you will match this 9. Next, 1/9 of 27 means you have to find 27 in 9's table. At which place you will find out 27 in 9's table? 9 3s are 27. So 9 3s are 27. Next, 1/8 of 40 means find out the 40 in 8's table. At which place you will find out, you will got 40 at 8's table? 8 5s are 40. So 5 here. So you will pair this. Next, 1/6 of 36. So find out the 36 in 6's table. At which place you will get 36, and then you will match that number. And same as this 1/5 of 20, find 20 in 5's table, and match, you have to match that number with this fraction. So I hope you can do this remaining two.